Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a lead generation form with Leadpages easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, go to the Leadpages website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for a free trial. Once logged in, click on the Create New Landing Page button. You'll see a selection of templates to choose from. Filter the templates by selecting Lead Generation from the category options. Browse through the available templates and select one that fits your needs. Click on the chosen template to start editing. The Leadpages editor will open, allowing you to modify the template. In the editor, click on the form that's already on the page, or add a new form by dragging the form element onto the canvas. Customize the form fields by clicking on each field to edit them. You can add fields like name, email address, and phone number, depending on what information you want to collect. To edit the design of the form, click on the Style tab in the sidebar. Adjust options like font, color, and size to match your brand. Next, set up your form settings by clicking on the Settings tab. Here, you can configure the submission options, including automated email responses. Integrate your email marketing service by connecting it through the Integrations section. Select your email service provider and enter any required API keys. Once you have everything set up, click on the Preview button to see how your form will look. Make sure everything is functioning correctly and that the design looks appealing. When you're satisfied, click on the Save button in the top right corner. Now, publish your landing page by clicking on the Publish button. You can select your domain or use a Leadpages subdomain for your page. Once published, copy the URL to share your lead generation form. Congratulations, you've successfully created a lead generation form with Leadpages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.